Now this is down by one of my sister's properties. This is cotton on a late September morning, and as far as you can see, you see cotton. As far as you can see, on both sides of me, and this is just one of thousands of acres of cotton that used to be picked by hand by enslaved Africans and poor people just throughout Mississippi. You can only see cotton as far as your eyes can see. This is why I wanted to show the magnitude of just the thought, just how people think. Now we're in late September. Mosquitoes are like swarms of mosquitoes. They literally cover your body and your car out here as far as you can see. I'm on a dirt road. I just had to get out and take a picture of, and just have people think, or have anyone think about how hard your days are, how long your work days are, how difficult your work is, and just think about what people have gone through. Not being paid. I think it was $2 a day if they were paid anything. Cotton as far as you could see. $0.50 a day, and then it went back to the master to pay for whatever he decided he needs to pay for to live. On his property, because you were his property. Unbelievable, but I'm fascinated by the amount of cotton